खूप दुःखाची गजाल त्यांना एक ट्रेजेडी झाला आणि या ट्रेजेडीक वी हॅव लॉस्ट 6 लाईफ आणि जे शिफ्ट झाले म्हाका दिसता ऑलमोस्ट अनदर 5-6 आर इनक्युबेटेड इन गोवा मेडिकल कॉलेज. सुरवातेक आमी गोवा मेडिकल कॉलेजीन गेले आणि थिंगा कॅज्युअलिटीनूय जायते इंजर्ड लोक आसात. सेवरल पीपल वर बॉट डेड आणि म्हाका दिसता डेफिनेटली for the first time in the history of Goa such an incident has happened. And what measures were taken when the measures were in place? I believe Amche Adhyaksh himself was there for this Jatra in the night and happened at around 2:30. He will definitely brief the press, but we stay आज आम्ही सगळे जे innocent lives were lost and they stay with their families. They are asking that there has to be an inquiry. There has to be inquiry into why such incident happened, whether it happened because of hypoxia, whether it happened because there was a fight. Some people say that there was shock, whether measures were taken with regards to disaster management failure. These are all questions and we are analyzing. Definitely we will come back to you all, but today we stand in solidarity with all the people. Innocent Amgele Goenka Raj died and his Jatra annually happened. What went wrong? Why it went wrong? This seems to be an administration failure which we will look into.